Hi there, I'm here to talk to you about some rather interesting new recalls from Stellantis, just announced this week by the NHTSA. Now, one of these is very embarrassing. They apparently made 2022 to 2024 model year ProMasters, starting in 2021, ending in 2024, without the side door beams. And this is the case for the ones with the two-row cabs. So you have two rows of seats. They are unusual. And I'm showing here that there are, 266 vehicles sold in the US which have this problem. I don't know how many were in Canada and Mexico. I could find out, but let's call it, based on past experience, maybe 30 at most. So in addition to missing the door beam, they also have an issue where the placard is wrong that says how many seats are in the car. That's probably obvious. It's not really a big deal. They just give you a new placard or a sticker to go over the old information. But the missing door beam is kind of important, so if you have one of these ProMasters, go out and get that door beam installed by the dealer. What else is going on? Well, 4 Jeep Wranglers with the tow package were made without the tow package, or at least without the right power distribution center, without which the tow package will tow a vehicle quite well, but you won't have any tail lights or turn signals or brake lights on the vehicle being towed, which is bad. So take those 4 Wranglers in, if you have all 4. Again, possibly based on past experience, another 0.4 sold in Canada and Mexico, maybe a handful at most. And get the right power distribution center put in so that you've got lights. How to check this? Well, that's obvious. You hook up a trailer, turn on your headlights, and if you don't see any tail lights on the trailer, then you've probably got one of the affected vehicles. All of them were made between January 4th and January 18th, 2024, but I'd still check just to make sure because, hey, it doesn't hurt to check. Finally, a bit over 50 Grand Cherokees have a improperly tightened, which means loose, rear seat belt. Not quite sure how that happened. And there's a single 22 Ram 1500 Classic that has a bad wiring harness that has to be replaced. And we have a call into Stellantis to see if that vehicle has already had it replaced, because the NHTSA notice makes it seem like it has, but isn't that clear. So we'll see you soon.